What is going on, guys? Help Online here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a title to your video in DaVinci Resolve. This will work for both the studio and the free version. It's identical. From your cut page, you have the option of adding the title from here. You simply drag and drop. I personally like to work off the edit page, so I'll go ahead and delete that. Go to edit. If you don't see this open, it's probably not highlighted here in effects. So go ahead and click on effects. And then you can see in the toolbox titles, this is already open. But from here, you can kind of preview the text that you want to add. So there's tons of different ones. If you just want something very basic, doesn't move around, there's a text on the very top left. So if you want something with a glitch, they have digital glitch titles here. They have callouts. And here's a jitter one. We'll use this one for example since it has some movement. We'll go ahead and play the footage. And you can see the title is now added. Now, to change the title and to change the words or anything else, what you want to do is actually click on it and this will open up. If this is not open, let me move this here over. So if this is not open, it's probably your inspector tab is not highlighted. So if it's like this, go ahead and click on inspector. This is basically where you can control anything in the timeline. So if you see, I can click on the video here and it'll let me zoom in the video in and out. From here, you can do rotation angles, rotate the footage, etc., etc. But we'll leave this for another video. Right now, let's focus on the title and what I wanted to say. So I'll go ahead and click on the title and you'll see this text box here. You can change this to anything you want. So we'll just type in change, keep things simple. You can also change the font here. If you get a square box like that, it just means you don't have that font installed. But let's click on something that is installed. So we'll click on this and you can even change the color from there also. So there you go. We have a red title that we just made. Extremely easy, very simple. And that's pretty much it. Now, if you want to change the size of your title, so let's say I want to make this a lot smaller, you can do the sizing here. My favorite way of doing it is if I want to change this title somewhere else in this video here. On the bottom left here, you'll see this little square icon. Once you click on it, you'll get all these little points on each corner and on the middle. What you want to go ahead and do is you can change the size here like this, and you can click in the middle and drag it around. You can also click on the very top point here and rotate this however you want. So we'll just leave it straight and move it to the bottom left corner. Now we'll play from the top and you can see we've moved our title somewhere else, and that's pretty much it to titles. Like I said, you can delete this, you can pick a different title and kind of go from there. So it's that easy. I hope this video really helped out. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll be adding more DaVinci Resolve tutorials for you guys. And thanks for watching.